In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Xero Verify QR code. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Xero account to generate the QR code you need to set up multi-factor authentication with the Xero Verify app, keeping your login secure and your data protected. Start by signing in to Xero on your computer. From your dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon or your initials. Click that to open your profile menu. This is where Xero keeps the quick links related to your account and security settings. From that menu, choose Account. This opens your account page, which includes your personal details and, importantly, your security options. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place. You should see a section that mentions multi-factor authentication or two-step verification. Now, find the multi-factor authentication area and select Set Up. This is the starting point for creating the connection between your Xero account and the Xero Verify app on your phone. If you're doing this for the first time, Xero will guide you through a short setup flow. When asked how you want to secure your account, choose Use Xero Verify. This is Xero's own authenticator app, and it supports quick push approvals, which makes signing in fast and secure. If you haven't already, it's a good idea to install the Xero Verify app on your phone now, so you're ready to scan. It's free and only used for your Xero login. After you select Use Xero Verify, Xero will display a large QR code on your computer screen. Leave that page open. On your phone, open the Xero Verify app and add a new account. If it asks for camera access, allow it. Then, point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer. Hold steady and make sure the whole code is visible. Adjusting the distance or screen brightness can help if it doesn't capture right away. The app should recognize the code within a second or two and securely link your phone to your Xero account. Once the scan is successful, follow any on-screen prompts to finish. You should see a confirmation on your computer, and the Xero Verify app will show your account is connected. From now on, when you sign into Xero, you'll approve the login from your phone, adding a strong extra layer of protection. That's it. You clicked your profile initials, opened account, started multi-factor authentication, chose Use Xero Verify, and scanned the QR code. Thanks for watching and enjoy the added security of your Xero account.